Alright, unfortunately it appears to be dead, but here we have an old Carrier round one heat pump. Compressor's in a compartment, so I can't see what kind it is. Of course it's a recip though. And I'll insert a picture of the data here. I believe this unit is from 1982, assuming that's the serial number. And yeah, this thing has not been running recently. A pretty cool old unit. Just wanted to get a shot of it in case it gets replaced soon. Here we have a Carrier compact with a replacement fan grill. Also a heat pump. There's a reversing valve right down there. There's the data. I'll insert a picture. I think it's from 1982 also. And that was working really good. Suction line's ice cold. Here we have another one. Reversing valve, hopefully. You can see the top of the compressor right there. There's its data sheet. Looks to also be from 1982. And the suction line is not quite as cold as the other one, but still really cold. And then there's a Comfortmaker and another ICP right there in the middle. Alright, two very cool old Carriers still chugging away. Figured I'd go ahead and get a really quick shot of this, even though it's off. It's an old Payne Teardrop. Got a Bristol reciprocating compressor down in there, and yep, it's also a heat pump. There's just two ICPs, Comfortmakers. And I'll go ahead and get the data on this one. 2018 2-ton. $2015 1.5 ton, and then Almost forgot to get the data on this little guy. 1994 1.5 ton. And yeah, that has not been running recently, unfortunately. Alright. Guess that'll be about it.